Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix unable to install app. This app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings app. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it down and first of all tap on channel. And first of all you have to make sure that you have updated your device to the latest version, because some apps are supported to the higher version. That's why the app is not installing right now. So you have to make sure that you don't have any pending update here, then go back and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then you have to force restart your device. It's depending on which model you are using. Once you have force restarted your device, after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And upon this guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open the settings. Now after that guys, what you need to do guys, just simply you have to turn into mobile data if you are using Wi-Fi. And if you are using mobile data, turn into Wi-Fi and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to go to general. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it down and make sure that your date and time is correct, and also make sure that you have turned on both of these toggles. Once you have done this, close this page, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings, tap on your Apple ID, then you have to sign out your Apple ID and then sign in your Apple ID again and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to close this page. Now open the settings. From here you have to scroll it down, tap on general. Now from here guys, you have to go to VPN and device management, and if you have installed any of the profile here, just simply you have to remove that profile, and then you have to disconnect with VPN if you are connected with VPN, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.